All right, Math 1, your final benchmark, number 8. Consider parallelogram LMNP with diagonal MP. The table shows the student's proof that angle L is congruent to angle N. All right, so the first statement says figure LMNP is a parallelogram. That is given. All right, then the second statement says LM is congruent to NP. So LM is on top and NP is on the bottom. All right, and LP here and NM is here. All right, so let's see what the statements show. It says, which justification correctly completes this statement? All right, let me see if I can shrink it here so you can see the statements. All right, so A part says adjacent sides of a parallelogram. Okay, so adjacent sides we don't talk about as much as opposite sides. So let's look at the two that says opposite sides. Opposite sides of a parallelogram are congruent. Okay, that's definition of parallelogram. So that's probably the answer. Opposite sides form a line. No, not necessarily. All right, so adjacent sides are congruent. No, this side would not be congruent to the adjacent side. And adjacent sides form a line. No, they don't. They intersect. They don't form a line either. So the only one, or the best answer here, would be C. So the answer to number 8, which justification correctly completes the proof, the answer is C.